I was convicted in 1985, wrongfully convicted in 1985 of first-degree murder, of which I didn't commit.
Paul Hildwin spent 3 decades on death row in Florida before DNA evidence proved his innocence.
We fought the state prosecutors for 7 years to submit the DNA profile into CODIS databank to determine the source of the DNA. In 2010, the Florida Supreme Court finally ordered them to run the DNA through the database, and it showed that the DNA matched the victim's boyfriend, not me.
Hildwin told his story before the House Criminal Justice Committee as it opens hearings on several bills to reinstate the death penalty in New Hampshire. Innocence Project advocates highlighting his case as a reason for the granite state not to return to capital punishment.
We urge you to reject these bills that would reinstate the death penalty. The risk of executing an innocent person is too great and therefore unacceptable.
Supporters of the death penalty say those issues can be overcome.
Yes, there are probably still problems that need to be addressed with the death penalty. I recognize that. But when there's a will, there's a way. And the first thing we have to do is have the will, at least, to reinstate the death penalty.
This is going to be a debate to watch closely as these bills eventually make their way to the House floor, particularly in regards to whether the Republican majority can unite behind any of them. This is an issue with moral and religious considerations that cut across party lines.
The public execution of the founder of our faith, if it teaches us anything, it's that human cruelty and bloodshed is not healed or effectively countered by further violence.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.